Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix chat not showing in Roblox. This issue happens when the chat is missing in-game, and this method works on both PC and mobile. So let's get started. First, if you are inside a game, leave the game. Now on the main screen, tap on More from the side or bottom of your screen. Open Settings. Then go to Privacy or Privacy and Content Maturity. Now tap on Communication. Here you will see different chat options. Set Experience Chat to Everyone. Also set Direct Chat to Everyone. Now go back and open Party from the Communication options. Set Party to Friends. And set Group Party to Friends. These settings are optional and mainly affect party chat and direct messages. Now one important thing. In some cases, Roblox now requires age verification to use certain chat features. So if your chat is still not showing, make sure your account meets the age requirements or is verified. Now go back and join any game again. Your chat should now be visible in the game. If it is still not showing, sign out of your account and sign back in again. After that, the issue should be fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.